Model 66-plate CITROEN Relay 35L3H2 2.2 HDi Enterprise Ulez compliant spares OR repairs body, white, panel van mileage, 159,720 engine, 2,198 cc 4H HD transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs fine, turbo needs replacing and possibly oil pump, the engine itself is fine, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. This is a really rare vehicle being the 2.2 timing chain transit engine, but it is actually Ulez compliant. Grin condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Nice simple turbo replacement features, cruise control, electric windows, air con, parking sensors EU status, Ulez compliant HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,